Morning, this is Ian with the Audi Royal Oak Service Department. We have actually made a partnership with the brand that I have my bike from, Commencal Canada. If you want to come in the back here,
I'll show you the tour.
So we have picked up a set of Commencal Clash skis. These are their big mountain freeride skis. They just started making skis this year. Last year they made skis with Faction, but this year they decided to go 100%, build them in-house themselves, and these things are incredible. And then the real deal here is a TR29 race. This is the full top of the line SRAM kit. It's got a 150mm Pike Ultimate fork up front and a 130mm of travel in the rear with a RockShox Super Deluxe Select Plus. This thing is incredible. It's easily way better than my bike personally, and we're really stoked to get in the showroom here. Alright, let's pull this thing out, put it beside the car. It's like 32 pounds, is what the bike is.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. All alloy frame, they don't do carbon.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
It's like nothing.
Yeah, full alloy, but really, really well made.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah, these things are sick. Alright, now no car would be complete with the roof rack without an Audi Genuine Accessory roof rack. So this bike here, the TR29, is going on the roof of the RS3. Let's go back and grab the roof rack.
Sorry, wheel mount.
Yeah.
This one here.
As always, awesome to have the parts department in-house here setting us up. We got the roof bars here, as well as the bike mount and the ski mounts. So we're gonna go toss these on the car. We'll be right back. These are the Audi Genuine bike racks here. Really nice and low profile, super aerodynamic for when you don't have the bike on it. And these are the Audi Genuine crossbars here as well. They mount onto any of our models here. Q3, Q5, A4, RS3, even, you name it, you can mount it. Included with the Audi Genuine Accessory roof bars is this T-handle here for installing it. It includes a click type torque wrench inside so you aren't over torquing or stripping any of the bolts. Just toss in. And that's as tight as it needs to be. Cool. Alright, and last but not least, the TR29er. Thanks to Commencal Canada for the TR29er in the race trim. This is their top kit. This is incredible. We're so fortunate to be working with these guys for at least the next year here with the bike as well as the skis and the RS3. This is going to complete the showroom.
This is nice. So is my food. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Have a great day.